Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today I'm going to be talking about new features of Shopify Ping. I received this email and I wanted to go over it with you all. You know how I am. If I learn anything new or if I get any notifications or, just anything in general that I feel would help my business and also yours, I enjoy sharing it with you all. So if you are interested, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So yesterday I received an email. It does say hi, Bad Chick Hair, which is my hair company. If you're interested in seeing what I offer, feel free to go to badchickhair.com. It goes on to say we've added new features to Shopify Ping to help you use the power of chat to have a breakthrough Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Here are 5 simple ways to drive more traffic to your store, increase your average basket size, and turn your visitors into customers. So we've been talking about different apps that can really help us during this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, different apps that can help us build a better understanding and relationship with our customers, different apps that can help us find our targeted audience. And so we've gone over Shopify Ping before, but I do want to bring to your attention the new features and also touch on some older features because I think that it really could help. Now, Shopify Ping is an app that's free. You can download it through your Shopify store. If you don't have Shopify, as always, click the link down below in this video and sign up for a free trial. That way, you will be able to take advantage of all of the different apps and features that I go over in my videos. So the first tip or pointer that I want to go over is you can pair your iPad with a keyboard and chat with customers and Kit even more efficiently. So you can download the Shopify Ping app on your iPad, which I am going to do. Typically, I use my phone primarily for the Shopify Ping. I really don't use my tablet. To be honest, my kids normally have my tablet. But I am thinking about switching over and using my tablet for Shopify Ping just so that I can type a little bit. I don't know. I'm trying to think what would be more efficient, but it may be more efficient for me to still use my phone, but it may also come in hand for me to use a tablet. So I don't know, but I just wanted to let you all know that that feature is available. The second tip or the second point is save time and keystrokes with save replies. So turn common responses into save replies to help you respond even faster. Set shortcuts to quickly access your saved replies. Now, I do like this feature just because if a customer is contacting you and you're in conversation and you're working with them and another customer contacts you, especially if it's just you working your business, it is going to save you so much more time to have save replies that you can send out. So here are some of my chats right now. And typically, just in my experience, Shopify Ping, like the chat option, gets really busy on the weekends. For me, I can have some chats throughout the day, but typically, or throughout the week, but typically throughout the week, it's primarily emails and text. And then on the weekends, I really find that Shopify Ping speeds up. So on the screen, I'm just showing you here how you can create your save replies. So I can create a shortcut for wholesale. So customers that come to me with questions regarding wholesale, I can write whatever message I want to display until I'm able to continue assisting them. So it could be something along the lines of, hey, thanks so much for visiting Bad Chick Hair. Very, excited and eager to help you with your wholesale purchase. Please allow 1 to 2 minutes for me to gather up documents or gather up information or gather links to send to you to better answer your questions and to assist with your shopping experience. Something along those lines. It doesn't have to be anything for word or verbatim, what I said, but something along those lines where it can kind of let your customers know that you're still working with them, you haven't forgot about them, but it still does give you an option to continue working with your other customers as well. And I just decided to click on the Shopify Ping blog just to kind of show you a little bit more of the features and services that come along with Shopify Ping. Now, I really enjoy bringing Shopify Ping to the platform just because it is a free app. It's completely free, and it does give you the ability to really build that relationship and to be a firsthand support or firsthand representative with your customers. Email's fine, text is fine, but a lot of people like the fact and the convenience of being able to go to a website and talk to someone immediately. I remember the first time I went to a website and I saw the chat option, I literally fell in love. Like, I was just like, whoa, this is really cool. I can really talk to someone in real time right here. And so, feel free to take a look at this app. Like I said, once you get Shopify, you can download the Shopify Ping app right through your app store, and just use it to your benefit. Use it as a tool to help you close more sales by being there to answer your customer's question. And like I said, being there to build your relationship. So on the screen, it does say customer relationships are built through conversations. And that's so true. We talk a lot on this channel about different ways to build relationships with your customer. I just scrolled past, building a personal connection. We talk about that because if we are selling online, we don't have the option to see every customer that comes on our website face to face and shake their hand and walk them over to our hair inventory and let them touch and feel the hair and answer all their questions. So we still have to create that through our website. It says here, customers have already voiced their clear-cut preference for live chat. And many people agree that having a chat option on a website is the most convenient and efficient way to connect with the business heads on, up front without waiting on a response from an email or without waiting from a text. Now, we've touched on creating draft orders for our customers in our Shopify store, but I wanted to bring it to your attention that you can also help customers create a checkout faster with draft orders through your Shopify Ping app as well. So you can send your customers a drafted order right through the app. A lot of times customers will reach out and they'll say, hey, I don't see your wholesale option on the website. And I can literally send them a link through Shopify Ping that takes them directly to wholesale. I can draft an order. I can create a discount. I mean, you can do so many things with this app and it's free. You can also drive more traffic with Kit. That was number 4 that we scrolled past. So if you are interested in different marketing and different promotional material or different ways to get more customers to your site, then you can definitely check out Kit for more resources. So I'm just scrolling on the screen just to kind of go over or show you all what we kind of went over in this video. So what I took away from this video is I'm pretty much going to look into installing the app on my tablet. I typically use my phone, like I said before, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be using the Ping app on my tablet as much, but I'm still going to get it downloaded just in case. Black Friday is coming up, Cyber Monday is coming up, and typically your websites are going to receive more traffic, and it may be more convenient and helpful to have the app up and also have someone assisting you with chats. I don't know if you can use them both simultaneously. So if I can use my phone and then have someone else helping me on my tablet, I'm not sure. But I'm interested in checking that out and also setting up my automatic replies. So if you are interested in setting up automatic replies as far as going through the replies that I'm going to be setting up, leave a comment down below and we can do it together. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.